fuck? Oh shit, you saw that truck? It's crazy, I was filming it too. Sunrise Cycles. Oh, baby.
Oh, and right next to the cycle gear.
Yeah.
Wow. Where do we start? There's so much here. Not an R7. What do you think about one of those? Maybe. You know, 20 kind of seems a little
KRT,
stupid.
you know what I'm saying? It's the KRT edition, you know?
Wonder what the price would be different on this one. Or we just get the 1000R. Well, they even have a booster here too. Wow, so we can actually leave with something. No way. I didn't even know they made it in like a red.
Yeah, that's actually really pretty. I've only seen the green.
Never seen it in a red. That thing is kind of thick.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Yeah, is Duck here?
That's me.
Hey, I spoke to you on the phone.
Yeah.
For the.
Oh, wow.
I'm
How
here.
are you? Yeah.
South Florida.
Yeah, they just
Finally.
finished it up. Wow.
I just saw it out back. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's a nice bike. That color scheme is phenomenal.
Yeah.
It's been my favorite. Yeah, we haven't got any 23s yet.
Oh, I'm shocked. There are so many down south. I just don't want black, nor do I want blue.
Yeah. Okay. Come on in. Let's figure this thing out. You guys drove straight through?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a heck of a drive. I've done it myself. I did it. Well, I rode a bike from Washington D.C. to Miami,
Oh, wow.
and like nonstop.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds.
And it took me 17 hours. It was 1,000 miles.
Whoa, what kind of bike you did?
It was a Suzuki Bandit 600.
Oh, okay.
I was buzzing for like 2 days.
Oh, I bet, yeah.
It was insane. I did it for that silly iron butt thing,
Okay.
and I never turned the paperwork in. I just wanted to prove that I could do it. I've done it like 3 times, 2 times on purpose. One because a chick called, and
Yeah.
you know what we do when chicks
Exactly.
call.
Get to sleep a bit. I mean, but at that point, if you're driving most of the way down, I'll probably be sleeping if I sleep.
What I do. So that's everything, and that's the giving you a 30-day tag, so you'll at least be able to ride it until you can get to the DMV.
Okay.
And that's pretty much our standard sort of fees and such. So that's where the little extra comes in. But I talked to the owner after I talked to you, and he's firm with where he's at. I wasn't bullshitting you on the phone, man, and that's why I'm a little bit pissed at my guy who talked to you originally and didn't tell you what those numbers were before you got on the road, because you're coming from a long ways away. And I do this all the time, but when someone is coming from a distance, they have to know what the number is.
Yeah, definitely.
Because the thing is, he knows that he's going to sell it in a week, so that's why he's not willing to move on any of it, no matter where you're from.
Yeah.
But my buddy who talked to you, he fucked up. I don't think he will, but I'll ask. Yeah.
Let's grab the key and let's look at the bike real quick.
Okay. I should be in it actually. Yeah, let's walk down there. Come on.
What's your guys' KRT ZX10Rs going for?
Say again.
The ZX10R?
About the same.
About the same?
Yeah, all the 1000s are kind of in the same ballpark now. Yeah, man, the numbers are gone up on these things. You know.
Yeah.
They've got all the electronics these days. They're all going for that same number. Yeah, right outside the door. Okay, so the address on the license, is that good?
Yes, sir.
30. Okay, so I got your name, I got your number, I got your email, I got your address. Okay, let me go ahead and get him to start printing this up. Well, we need your cash.
That indeed.
Get him to go ahead and count that. All right, that'll take a few minutes to get that going. Do you want to make arrangements for your trailer?
Yeah, I'll probably start doing that.
Okay. There is a U-Haul right down here. If you do Google Maps, it'll pop right up.
Okay, perfect.
They may or may not have a trailer, but they can definitely tell you where. Also, I brought extras just in case.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
No worries. All right, we're just waiting on him. I'm going to go find the owner's manual for this bike. Cool.
Too clean to pass up, you know?
It's too clean.
Too clean.
At least we get free Sprites. And water.
And water. Some members mark purified water.
Shout out to Duck though.
Yeah, shout out to my
Coming in
dog.
clutch. So we got the last one here. Last 60th GP R1. Practically in all of, I would say, United States. This is the last one at a dealership with 0 miles. We have 0 miles on that odometer. Zero miles. Getting her to do a little bit of a break-in here. It's a little dirty for the price of everything, but ain't nothing like a nice bath will help. But got 2 keys. I'm still breaking in. So yeah, the rain got bad, so we pulled over. We darn fucked up. All right, so earlier I was smoking, and I don't think it's supposed to look like that. We got semi trucks blowing past. There we go. Made sure we're okay. Stuck out here in the middle of nowhere. All right, we're back on the road. We're driving. We're tired. We got 8 hours left, and we're gonna have to make stops so we don't overheat this bitch. But we out here. Oh, here's the nice bridge spot that I almost missed last time.
Breathing in clean air. Thank you. Thank you.
Reese and his chemtrails.
Yeah.
South Carolina, some sort of bridge over here.
Abandoned. Goddamn.
All right, we'll see you guys when we got something cool. Forgot to get the other stop, but we're here. This paint looking absolutely
Dry.
beautiful. Look at that. It's been raining. She's a little wet. Dried off now. God damn. Finally made it home. All right, made it back home. Trailer's somewhere behind that car. See how much gas the dealer left us. Pretty sure that is a full tank. Wow.